Good evening, boys and girls. Welcome back with the third puzzle. The third puzzle in this puzzle page is a binary puzzle. In the puzzle page of the weekend edition, Saturday, April the 13th, 2024. And I've already solved two puzzles, the 3-star Sudoku and a killer Sudoku. Two puzzles remain. The Jigsaw Sudoku, aka Tectonic, and this one you are interested. It's the binary puzzle. Yes. Binary puzzle number 8358. 8358. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 24 printed digits. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 by 10 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column, there are always 5 O's and 5 1s. Alright, so let's get started. Let me start with the double O's. Double O, here one, there one. Double O's, here one, there one. Double O's, here one, there one. Double O's, here one, there one. Okay, now the double ones. Double one, here no, there no. Double ones, 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 here no, there no. Now the double O's. Double O, here one, there one. Double O's, here one, there one. Double O's, here one, there one. Double ones, here no, there no. Double ones, here no, there no. Double ones, here no, there no. Double O's, here one, there one. Double O's, here one, there one. Double O's, here one, there one. Then between the ones comes an O. Double ones, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are ones. Let me see. Between the O's comes an 1. Double one, here no, there no. Between the ones comes an O. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are ones. Between the O's comes an 1. Between the ones comes an O. Between the ones comes an O. 1, 2, 4. And this is number 5. Double ones, here no, there no. Double O's, here one, there one. We have here 4 O's. If I place number 5 there, then we have 3 ones in a row in the first row. Not allowed, one of the rules, so this can be no, this should be a 1. Alright, then 4 O's we have here in the second row. If I place number 5 there, then we still have 3 ones in the second row. Not allowed, one of the rules, so this can be no, this should be a 1. And we have 4 ones. If I place number 5 here, then we have 3 O's in a row in this row. Not allowed, one of the rules, so this can be 1, this should be no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Okay. Now, 4. Here we have 3. Here we have 3. 3. 3. 4. Here we have also 4. Let me think. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Between the O's comes in 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 1. So the rest are O's. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double 1, here no, there no. Then double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. 5 ones we have here. So the rest are O's. Between the O's comes in 1. Between the ones comes an O. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is number 5. Now. Let me think. 4. O and a 1. O and a 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. Come on, come on. Overlooked something, overlooked something. Come on, come on, come on. 2, 3. I cannot column. Well, maybe I can compare this column. Oh, 11. No, I cannot compare this column. I need to compare the rows, this row, that row, or this row. 1001. Do we have 1001 here? No. How about this? 011. No. How about this one? 1011. 1011. 001. Yeah, no. Not the same, not the same. Almost the same. 1, 2, 3, 4. Well. Double O here. Cannot compare this one. 4 O's. Well, this one is almost the same. Look. We have here an O, here 1, here an O, here an O, here 1, here 1, here an O. So these 3 boxes I need. I cannot place the 5th O there, otherwise we have the same rows. So this box cannot be an O. This box should be a 1 then. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, no. 2, 3. 1001. Do we have a 1001 here? No, here. Okay. Could be an O there, could be a 1 there. Same for here. Ay. This row I cannot complete. How about here? Double. No. This I can also not. Well, not 2, 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Overlooked. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1. So those 2 boxes should be no. Overlooked. Double O here, 1 there, 1. Double 1 here, no, there, no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O. So the rest are 1s. Double 1 here, no, there, no. Double O here, 1 there, 1. Overlooked. Between 2 1s comes an O. Double O here, 1 there, 1. Between 2 1s comes an O. Double O here, 1 there, 1. Double 1 here, no, there, no. Double O here, 1 there, 1. And we have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 1. So the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are 1s. Finish in 9 minutes. Overlooked. Well. Without comparing. Well, not quite true. But we solved it again. And I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so I can make it also myself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the last puzzle. The jigsaw Sudoku. Until then, bye-bye for now.